Hello and welcome to Someka Email Sender Template. This tool basically helps you to email someone or some group of people in a much easier and faster way. It is constructed by three parts. These are single email, bundle emails, and templates. So let's start with a single email. Use this part like you're using your own email account. Write down the title, the email that you're going to send, CC or BCC if it is necessary, then type your email. You may press on plus sign in this template to get additional rows. To add attachments, press on the button Attachments. You may send multiple documents by pressing on your control button and click the documents. You may press on Show Preview to display your written email on Outlook. You may also change your format of your email on here as well. You can also save your written email as draft and also send as well. Now let's go to the templates. If you send standard emails to a bunch of people, you may save your standard emails in here. You will use these standard emails on bundle email section. You can also use HTML language to format your email on Outlook as well. You may switch between the standard emails easily by pressing these buttons on top. And lastly, the bundle emails. As mentioned in the bundle emails, we can send some standard emails or custom emails to a group of people or take other actions. So choose your action, type down the emails, you may also type down more than one email. Enter the title, the template that you already prepared, such as when you want to add an attachment on an email, click on the email cell and click on Choose Attachments. Once you're done, press on Create Emails. And the emails will be used in terms of their action. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.